Ever wondered how to make the perfect cherry delight with whipped cream? Well, the wait is over. It's a heavenly combo of creamy cheesecake, sweet cherries, and luscious whipped cream. Are you ready to whip up this delightful dessert? Let's dive into the recipe. First things first, gather all your ingredients. For the crust, you'll need graham cracker crumbs, unsalted butter, and granulated sugar. The filling calls for cream cheese, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. Your cherry layer is simply cherry pie filling. And for the whipped cream topping, heavy whipping cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. With all these ingredients in place, you're set to start. Kick off the process with the crust preparation. Start by combining graham cracker crumbs, melted butter, and granulated sugar. Press this into your baking dish and bake until golden. There you have it, a perfectly baked crust, ready for the next step. Now, let's move on to the creamy and sweet filling. Beat softened cream cheese until smooth, then whisk in powdered sugar and vanilla extract until fluffy. Once the filling is spread evenly, it's time to add some cherry delight. Now comes the star of the show, the cherry layer. Spread it evenly over the cream cheese. With the cherry layer in place, we are almost there. Now it's time for the final touch, the whipped cream topping. Whip the heavy cream until it thickens, then sweeten with powdered sugar and vanilla. And voila, your dessert is almost ready. Now, the final step, chilling and serving. Refrigerate your cherry delight for at least 4 hours, better if left overnight. This allows the layers to set and the flavors to blend together. Cut into squares and serve chilled. And there you have it. Your cherry delight with whipped cream is ready to be enjoyed. Bon appétit!